So, what do we want to cook today?
Parotta Salna at least.
Yeah. So, be cutting first as the first step ginger garlic as we usually do.
Yep.
And Raj will be cutting the onion because I always, cry or I cannot really continue doing that. So that's how we usually separate our jobs actually. So for me doing yes, so just a little bit on ginger, okay? And then probably how many pieces of cloves, Raj? 3 are enough? Garlic. But cloves also were used, but for now garlic. So 3?
Medium size means
Yeah, I mean like this, right?
I mean, show me the ginger, the equal portion.
I
of
mean
ginger.
equal, like a coin size, I mean. And here like 2 and here is 1.
Maybe this alone is enough.
Okay, so not so much in case of Parotta
Yeah.
Salna. Okay, this I didn't know.
I mean, not to make it too strong.
Understood. What?
I don't know.
Yeah, we have a dilemma what to do with this coconut since Raj opened it like how many days ago did you open it?
1 week.
Yeah, 1 week ago. What else will we use? Some cardamom, stone flour, because without this, I mean, there's no salna taste. And of fennel, are these, no, is it jeera or fennel? I don't know, looks similar.
Fennel.
Oh, then it's fine, yeah. Okay, we already have black pepper, cumin, right? Oh no, fennel from this. Okay, this recipe. Yeah, and now what else? You can put some Polish peanuts.
Yeah, some cashew nuts as well.
Okay. Do we have them? Okay, and then what will you do? You will blend the remains with the coconut, right? You will do that. Okay. Alright. Green cheese. How many? That will be spicy.
Yeah.
Okay. I can already handle that, by the way. Yeah. A bit, yeah. But I'm just saying that I made a progress, right? Poppy seeds. Wow. So that's the blended paste. What? No, I said correctly. At least I think so.
Yeah, blended paste. Yeah, you said blended taste or something.
Paste, I said, not taste, not blend taste. I don't know. Yeah, I know I have a specific accent, just like he has his Tamil accent. Sometimes we tease each other about that. Oh, I will be doing it the Indian way, by the way, you see, guys. I firstly cut it and now I just want to make a paste, not taste, out of that. Okay, let me use some more force this time. Can you do it because you have... Yeah.
In the corners and on the sides. You hit it on the sides. Okay.
Okay. I'm just surprised, really, that in this recipe we have potatoes. I mean, because previously we were not using that many veggies. That's why I'm surprised, actually. So this is the part where I'm mocking Raj, and I'm starting to notice when he's using Tamil. Like, okay, now we are actually frying some, well, spices in the pan, okay? And he said ille, no? Like he didn't even realize it, I just noticed. Like, put curry leaves later, this is what he said. And I told him, hey, you actually spoke Tamil to me. Like, and now I actually notice it more often. And he's cutting the onions. Yay.
The stone flour smell is awesome, right?
Yeah. Put some curry leaves, Raj, now, right? You wanted a green chili, right? You will see, guys, in a moment how much quantity we did of this salna. Much more than usual. Maybe it's also vegetables, I mean, but let's, well. Okay, we are a bit cheating using the ready-made parottas. And salma is ready. Alright, I forgot about this part.
It's so hard though.
Yeah, we just made it. Smells amazing. Okay. Yay, so that will be my reaction now. It's so hot. Damn, I missed eating this food so much. Semi iruku. Right? Semaya iruku.